Finally, Sarah! A vacation. I can already feel the stress melting away. No cap, this place is goals.
Goals, huh? Wait till you see the pool. Let's get checked in first.
Welcome to Lux Escapes. Do you have a reservation?
Yup, Emma Summers and Sarah Clark. Booked last month. Poolside suite with a balcony, please.
Let me check. Uh-oh. It seems there's been a mix-up. Your booking was double booked, and the poolside suite isn't available.
Double booked? That's so sus.
Wait, sus? Are we accusing the hotel of fraud or just bad planning?
Both! This is a low-key disaster, Sarah.
I assure you it's just a technical glitch. But we do have an upgrade available. A penthouse suite. No extra charge.
Penthouse. Bougie vibes incoming.
Looks like this mix-up turned into an upgrade. We'll take it.
Sarah, this is straight out of a rom-com. Look at that view.
And the minibar. They're spoiling us. But hey, Emma, you said sus earlier. Do you even know what that means?
Duh! It means suspicious, right?
Correct, detective. You're learning.
Wow, thanks for the validation. Next time, I'll throw in low-key to sound more Gen Z.
Well, you nailed it earlier. Low-key means kind of, like a subtle version of saying something.
Got it. Low-key sus, Bouger. I'm fluent now.
Just a little something from the hotel to apologize for the mix-up.
See, sometimes sus situations turn into sweet surprises. No cap.
You're getting too good at this.
No cap is a slang term that means no lie or for real. It's used to emphasize that someone is being truthful and not exaggerating. It's a way to add emphasis and sincerity to a statement, similar to saying seriously or I swear. Sus is short for suspicious. It means that someone or something seems untrustworthy or questionable. The term gained popularity with the online game Among Us, where players try to identify the imposter by calling out suspicious behavior. Low-key means something is quiet, understated, and not attracting a lot of attention or excitement. It suggests a relaxed and casual approach. Bouger describes someone who enjoys a luxurious lifestyle, often with expensive tastes and a preference for high-end things. It suggests confidence and self-assurance, often with an awareness of their roots. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy English tips. See you in the next video.